Hey guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another tech review video. Now in today's special episode, I got my hands on the Moza Mini-S. Now this is for all you smartphone users out there because this is a smartphone gimbal. Now having said that, I'll do an unboxing of the product, I'll give you guys the specs and review, and lastly, I'll give you guys a B-roll sequence of me using the gimbal. Alright, so let's go and start with the unboxing. Starting off with the unboxing, you have the package full of instructions and stickers. A soft carrying pouch to store your Moza Mini-S. Cables to connect your phone or charge your gimbal. Small tripod mount to let your gimbal stand up. And finally, the Moza Mini-S unit. So that summarizes the unboxing part. The Moza Mini-S is a foldable and compact gimbal that is ideal for travelers like me, having a unique ergonomic that imitates the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It offers a comfortable handheld experience and eliminates any slippery experience while holding the unit. Mounting a phone is easy. Just make sure that the phone is balanced evenly, meaning it's not heavy on any side of the gimbal. On the side of the gimbal is the red power standby button and the USB socket to charge your gimbal. At the back, you have the controls such as shortcut keys, battery indicator, and the joystick. On the side is the focusing buttons. On the tilt arm, you have the micro USB port to charge your phone while it's mounted on the gimbal. Lastly, in front is the trigger button. Now with these many buttons, these will allow you to do many shortcuts and advanced functions such as vertical shot or inception mode. I won't go through with all the shortcuts of these buttons, so here's a screenshot of all the shortcuts for the Moza Mini-S for your reference. Just pause this video and screenshot a copy. The Moza Mini-S has a phone app called the Moza Genie app, which is connected via Bluetooth. Here you can control some advanced features like object tracking, controls to set the exposure and focusing point, and many camera settings like video resolution, white balance, and many more features to make your shots even more creative. Alrighty, now that we're done doing the unboxing and review portion of this video, I'll give you guys a footage of me using the Moza Mini-S.
To low, see the sun looking down from below. Hear the call rising up, setting fire to my soul. We don't know where we are, but it don't matter in the wild. Here we go, making moves, ready or not tonight. Like a bullet, speeding car, I'll be your ride or die. Let's do it. Oh, you know I'm up for anything. Up for anything. Up for anything.
Alrighty guys, this ends my tech review video for the Moza Mini-S. I do hope you like it. If you do, please share this video to your friends. And if you want to be updated in my next tech review, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, and like my Facebook page for future updates. Alright, this is Joe Serrano signing out, and I'll see you in my next tech review. See you guys!